Nasi isibalo la phambi kwethu ama questions sihlala ukuwabheka lapha. But before siya kuma questions, let us break down lokho kade sikwenza. Sithe yini i-EMF na? I-EMF, it's a total isinikezani potential V external plus V internal, level sithi loss of volt, the EMF, which means njengoba lapha besithe u13 ekuqaleni, which means usebenza phi, u12 usebenza la, u1 usebenza la ku-internal. So it's a sum of these two, V external plus V internal. Now sesingathi i-EMF singayi labo internal ne external singaba expressa in terms of current and resistance. Siyazi ukuthi V it's IR. So ngamanye amazwi V external it's I times R external. Why ngiyazi ungabuza ukuthi why singathi I external? I-current ihamba yonke indawo ngaphandle nangaphezulu nangaphakathi. Ihamba ngaphandle nangaphakathi kwesela. Kodwa ize ibe u-external ingoba kunama resistors angaphandle. Hence sithe V external it's R external. Sigayidwa yilama resistors angaphandle ukuthi angakanani resistance yakhona. Hence we say EMF is equals to I times R external plus, obviously uma sino V is equals to IR, so V internal ukuze singadideki bakwethu baveseni banciphise lo ya R abe u-R internal. Lo R omkhulu abanye bakazi badideka. So we have got V internal, it's I times R internal, which is I, same current, the current ehamba ngaphandle ile ehamba ngaphakathi, le current ehamba la ilezo ehamba la phakathi, so the current is the same. Bese ke ngoba manje le current experience the internal resistance. So what is the EMF? EMF, what is the common factor? The current into R external plus R internal. Now having said that, nansi i-question yokuqala ekumele siyibheke la. We are given the circuit. Sinikezwe le circuit elana ebhodini. Kule circuit lana, but when both switches are open, V1 reads 30 volts. Both switches are open. Ivulekile nalapana. Sino switch S1 and switch S2. So we have S2 ivulekile nayo. Ivulekile phela. Siyabona ukuthi current angeke ayidluli la. Njengoba ingakwazi ukudlula la ngoba kuvulekile switch, wonke lama resistors awasebenzi. So ngamanye amazwi V1 now usinikeza the EMF of the cell. So ngamanye amazwi sesiyathola sinikeziwe ukuthi the EMF of the cell is 30 volts when S1 is open. Now when S1 is closed, uma soyivala u-S1, closed, imaphi ama resistors asebenzayo na? I-current izongena la enye ingene la. Iyasebenza le resistor nale, ibuye ingene la. Iyasebenza nale resistor. Kodwa siyabona u-S2 it's open, which means le voltmeter I reading down ngoba I connectiwe to lama resistors aku parallel. V2 osinikeza i-potential difference, i-energy esetshenziswa u7 no3 ama resistors aku parallel. So we have the ammeter reads 3 amps. So we have the ammeter reading 3 amps. So we have something of this nature. Number 8, calculate the internal resistance of the battery. Okay. internal resistance of the battery. Manikhumbula kahle ngitheni na sithe EMF is equals to V external plus V internal. Okay. Now, sifuna internal resistance of the battery. Ingakanani EMF yethu? Siyathola ukuthi is 30 volts. V external. But when switch S is closed, the reading on V1 is 28.5 volts. 28.5 volts. As it is closed, now lama resistors, now it reads, so V external, it's how much? 28.5. So plus, sesingawufuna the lost volt. Ngasho ngathi masenza izibalo ze circuit shawa amagama amathathu uV RIV. Siyawuthola ke manje, so asufune lo V. Siyazi current, siyonikeza current. Then kuzosala no R wethu. Oh, so what is V internal? V internal is equals to 30 minus 28.5, it's 1.5 volts. Now, since we told you like potential, the energy is inside the cell. The energy is changes is the current inside the cell. So, V internal is I times R internal. Sifuna R internal. V internal is 1.5. The current ingakanani na, but the ammeter reads 3 amps. So what is R? 1.5 divided by 3. 1.5 ku 1.5 uyakanye ku 3 uyakabili. So the resistance is what? 0.5 ohms. There you are. That is the internal resistance of the battery. The internal resistance of the battery. Now, equation L underline it. What is the reading on voltmeter V2? Switch S. What is the reading on voltmeter V2? What is the reading yana? Voltmeter V2. Njengoba ingaconnective, vele i-voltmeter ngeke iride. Kodwa awubhale ephepheni uthi ngeke iride. Uthini na i-voltmeter V2 will be 0 volt. There won't be any reading. 0 volt. So the reading length. Switch S2 is now closed as well. Yavalwa ke manje u-S2. Iyarida. U-S2 but is now closed as well. What will happen to the ammeter reading? When you close switch S2, kuzokwenzekani ke ammeter reading? Nothing will happen. Ngoba phela akushintshanga i-addition resistors. The ammeter reading will still remain 3 amps. Okwenzekile la ukuthi nje kuxhunywe uV2 across lento. Okungenawo umthelela. Asisho ngesingisi. Which has no effect. Which cannot affect. Ngasamnandi lesingisi. Okungenawo umthelela kwi-current. Ukhume uvoltmeter. If bekuchume i-ammeter bekuzoba nomthelela. Kodwa manje i-voltmeter yona is challenge i-potential difference across u7 ohm no3 ohm low voltmeter njengoba connected in parallel nalokho. Calculate the new reading on V2. Engakanani uV2 wethu? Oh, bawethu. Sifuna the new reading on V2. Silungiseke bakwethu. uV2 kusho ukuthi bafuna uV parallel. Oku reading on V2. So ingakanani uV parallel sifuna wona na. Mesizofuna uV parallel sizothini na 1 over asithole kuqala uR parallel qala. Ungakanani uR parallel na. Asilungiselele 1 over R parallel is equals to 1 over R7 plus 1 over R3. 1 over R parallel. 1 over 7 plus 1 over 3. But these two are connected in parallel. And no 7, no 3 are connected in parallel, no V2. So V2 is niggas V parallel. Voila. You only reading of V2 there. 7 times 3, 21. 7 yaga 3. 3 plus so which is 1 over R parallel. Njengoba kade ngikhombisa laphana ngifundisa laphana u7 uyakangaki ku21 uyaka 3 times 1 3 u3 yakangaki ku21 uyaka 7 times 1 7. So 1 over R parallel is equals to 1 over 10 over 21. So R parallel is 21 over 10, which is 2,1 ohm. Okay. Sesitholile manje u-R parallel wethu sawuthola ku 2,1 ohm. I-current ke engakanani edlula lapho na? Current is 3 amps. Edlula konke la ku7 no 3. I-current yakhona 3 amps. So u-V parallel okuyi-reading ka-V2 so uvale u-switch S1 S2 uzoba yini na? I times R parallel. Current 3 times 2,1. What is 3 times 2,1? 6,3 volts. There you are. So that will be the reading on V2. 6,3 volts. So we got that. Right. Sesiyaqhubeka ke amaXhosa athi sihlabela mgama.